What's up? Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. How we doing? Well, this ATR is about 7.5. I gotta tell you, it's a little, we expect it to be slow, but it is a little slower than I even expected here. 7.5. That is a sharp contrast to the, 70, 75 we were seeing just a few trading days ago. So I figured I'd pop on, hang out with my favorite bunch. I don't know, give away a couple accounts. What do you guys think? And if something pops up, man, we'll take it. We'll just hang out for a little while. It's morning. Not like anyone's doing anything in the morning of Thanksgiving anyway, except laying around, right? So might as well pop in, hang out, chill a little bit, give away some accounts. See what's up with you guys. What's going on? Outlaw, good morning. Hey, John, how we doing? Scott, good morning. Trev, my man, what's up, brother? All right. So clearly, big old train range potentially turning into a wedge. Do we see what's up with gold? Let's see what's up with gold. What is going on? Oh, God. So there's some data issues here today. Have any of you guys also had this problem? Yeah, that's not gonna, yeah. So well, let's see what's up with ES, huh? There we go. ATR 1 over here on ES, baby. Oh, you're right. I think I have the old expiration. Here we are. There we go. February. There we go. Kind of just looks like ES, huh? I'm sorry, like NQ. So, guess we'll pop over to NQ and see what's up. Again, ATR here is about 7.6. Better than we had 4th of July, man. Can't complain. All right. So what's up with you guys? You got plans today or what's going on with you? I'm always curious because most people, well, at least in the States, most people, just by the nature of gatherings, end up having to travel on Thanksgiving. So are you guys where you're going yet? Or do you still have to drive? Maybe you're in the car, man. You're probably in the car. 60 seconds out. Let's see. Kind of reminiscent of the 4th of July here. Yes, sir! Michael, it does. If you use code BIG at Take Profit right now, Take Profit Trader, they refund you the initial test fee when you take your first payout. So if you pass within a month and then you get a payout, it's effectively a free account. You just front the money, then you get it back. All right. Well, should we see what, I expect, because my data for the bar counter is being fed via the New York session time frame. That's why we have no bar counter today. I'd bet that's the reason. But let's see what... You see why we use the bar counter now? Let's see what this bar brings. Maybe we can get a nice bare body closing like here. And I could actually short it. As, question, have any of you guys taken trades with Take Profit Trader or Apex today? And has there been any issues? I am curious about that. No issues? Alright, cool. Alright, 2.5 minutes out here. I'm not against taking a trade or 2 or 3 today. But man, when the ATR is 7, I always say when it starts dipping below 10, probably time to just hang out, give away a couple accounts. I at least thought ATR would be maybe 18 today, I wonder what tomorrow will bring. Probably not much. Kind of got the same situations going on gold and NQ. Oh, Nani, you weren't here for 4th of July. We actually miraculously somehow made some money on 4th of July. The ATR was about 4. And 7 is generous! Yeah, pennies, I trade RAM. It's very structured. Though, of course, like anything else, there's nuance. Quite a bit of nuance involved. Is anybody else streaming today? Am I the only one crazy enough to actually hit that button? Oh, man. Oh, there's a few! There's a few. All right. I've always gravitated toward the extremists. The outcasts. The crazy mother... Alright, let's see what this bar brings here. It would be the first bar. First bare body, not really a sequence. There you go, Bears. Put something together here. You imagine if ATR just exploded to like 72? We made 40,000 and everyone slept in today? You know, I know like half you guys, something like half you guys are not from the States. So it's interesting. On a day like today, you guys kind of just get screwed laying around. All right, 4 minutes out. Big old bare body. Man, I wish the bar counter was working today. So I guess let's check in with you guys. Those of you guys who have taken trades. How are we sitting? And have they been half reasonable trades? Obviously a wiki day. And green, green, green. A little bit of red. Well, I'll tell you what, man. Let's do, since I'm so thankful for you guys, let's do, genuinely though, yes, very much so. Let's do a little giveaway here, huh? We'll do a couple of giveaways. Let's do, I'll tell you what, let's start with a straight up giveaway as you guys are used to. Apex code. Again, a code, it's like this magic code you put into the box at Apex and it makes any size eval free. All right? We'll give one of those away normally, and then we'll give another one of those away, but we'll finish off with a golden bar. Two of you guys going head to head. What do we say? Should we do it? Let's do it. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Again, what's up for grabs? A code that I will deliver to you on a satin pillow by hand anywhere in the world today. Also known as Discord. And it makes any size eval, 150K, 300K, 25K, 50K, doesn't matter, at Apex Trader Funding free. Okay? You will have 60 seconds here in the YouTube chat, free to enter, of course, like the stream. And you can enter as many times as you'd like in 60 seconds. Whoever can type the fastest has an edge here. Understand? 60 seconds, unlimited entries, and you will type in the YouTube chat. Let's get nice and sappy today on a Thanksgiving. What are you thankful for here today? Unlimited entries, 60 seconds in the YouTube chat. Go. $30. Cut it. That's it. Stop. That is it, baby. All right. Stop entering. That is it. Let's get this thing updated. All right, ready? Here we go. This is how we select around here. Round and round she goes, baby. Let's see what we get. Jackson. What's up, brother? Thankful for family. Beautiful thing. Jackson, hit me up. Free Discord. If you're not already in there, what are you doing, big dog? Link is in the description. Join the free Discord. Go to the daily discussion channel. Say, what's up, big dog? It's Jackson. Give me my shit. And I will. And I will hit you up. I'll add you as a friend, actually, on Discord. And then I'll give you your code. All right. We got another one coming. Don't you worry. There he is. Jackson moving quick. All right, just added you as a friend. There he is. Jackson, I'm typing you a number, brother. Type it back to me here in the YouTube chat to confirm that it's actually you and not a scumbag who made a Jackson Discord account. 8374. There he is. Delivered! Thanks for playing. All right, now the next giveaway that we're going to do here in a little bit, it's going to be a one-on-one, 1v1, head-to-head, in the arena. Golden bar. Is anybody in a trade right now? Let me guess. You're sitting short. Anybody? Yeah, Christian's sitting short, I bet. Well, I gotta tell you, this, what we drew probably a half hour ago is basically exactly what's going on. You know, so we could get rid of that, because I like to keep things as clean as possible. There we go, you got a wedge. Now, in wedges like this, volatility is so low. I mean, ATR is 8, but you should understand. Now, again, 55% is not 95, okay? But about 55% of the time, the flat will break. About 45% of the time, this will break when it picks a direction and goes as the wedge tightens down. Meaning, this tends to be just a tad stronger than the flat. But a lot of times also, it'll break this way, try to go a little while, and then form like a new trading range. Don't really want to expect this thing to break and go, you know, 150 points. It's just not very probable today. Yeah, so level 2 in the tape is a really important combination when you're trading stock, especially like small caps. On futures, volume in general, this is a deeper market. So to me, the price action takes a front seat over volume. And volume, of course, you know, I would lump like level 2 market depth, the tape, into that. In a small cap stock, when the volume dries up, the edge is gone. You need to get out. Or at least stop trading it, stop hitting it over and over again, right? Because you're trying to capture a moment in time. It's usually pre-market. They get news. It's oftentimes just bullshit news, but people jump on it. Everyone thinks this is the next whatever, the next GameStop. You get the big front side of the move, you can hit it on the way up. And then usually you have to pay to borrow these shares to short. So it's usually just a long side trade. And then as that starts to fade and head over to the back side of the move, you move on to the next. Those rely heavily on market depth and volume. The futures market, I would compare that to sailing over like a coral reef. You want to keep an eye on the market, I'm sorry, on the depth gauge, right? The futures market is being on a sailboat over, you know, off the coast of Japan in the Pacific. It's so deep, like we've got bigger things to worry about, big dog. That makes sense? What do you think about psychedelics as a tool to help with trading? Do I look like a doctor? Do I look like an Eastern medicine expert? Okay, look, here's my unasked about opinion. I wake up so, and not that I ever was like tempted or even ever had a problem, but I look at how easy it is to slip into addiction. And every day, I just am so grateful that I didn't. Because that shit just takes over. Ruins everything. And it's a slippery slope. It starts off as a tool, and all of a sudden, starts off, oh, I'm gonna microdose mushrooms. It's gonna help with my trading psychology. No. You know what's actually gonna help you with your trading psychology is having an undeniable track record in trading, is working and putting in more screen time. Right? To me, it's not worth the risk to even dabble. I like caffeine. Start going down a slippery path, man. It's not worth it. It's just, I don't know. I mean, now look, if someone has like a condition, like a painful condition, maybe, sure. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about people who like start dabbling in stuff. Not everybody. Some people can do it. It just, you rarely see this end well, and it's like you never needed it to begin with. You know what I mean? What you needed was a track record. You're not going to go from a losing trader to making millions of dollars because you started micro-dosing psychedelics. That is such a slippery slope. It's too easy to fall into drug addiction. And, I don't want to be like that guy because it all just comes down to personal discipline. But, like, realistically, what happens if a year after that, now you're, addicted to pills? Crazy shit. I don't know. I'm way too grateful that I never went down that path to dabble on that path. Because a high percentage of very unfortunate things that happen in this world are due to drugs and alcohol. And I'm just like not interested. All right, 4:15 out. You've got bigger things on your agenda, big dog. All right, Bulls, let's see if they can hold it outside of this. I mean, look. I don't want to come off like that guy who's like, don't do drugs. And everyone's like, well, why? And you're like, because they're bad. If the reward to risk, we're traders, right? If the reward to risk is genuinely there, then it's there. All I'm saying is, in my personal opinion, based on my assessment of these things, it's not there. Now you got to look at everything in life. Look at it like a trade. Is there edge here? A lot of times the answer is no. All right, let's see if the Bulls can actually do something reasonable here on this bar. 420 out. ATR 7.25, man. Holding up. Holding up. Man, everyone's asking about merch. There's no plans for merch right now. There's no plans. I'm obsessed with quality, and it would stress me out. It would stress me out. Because realistically, to make that happen, I would not, I'm not gonna have a room full of inventory. I don't, that's not what I'm doing. And that would stress me out. Stuff going to you guys that I haven't seen, really. You know what I mean? I'd have samples made, of course, but that's not on the agenda. Not on the agenda. Though it would be cool, maybe a little, Now, if I could hire someone I trust to make sure everything is top tier, and I'd at least break even on it, now we're talking. You know, it wouldn't be like, I wouldn't be trying to make money off it. Minute 57. What the? You squeeze the other foot, it says, "What's up, big dog? Give me my shit!" Let's get the plushies going on. Alright, should we do the golden bar? What's up? Should we throw two of you in the ring and let you fucking battle it out? Let's do it, baby. Alright, let's clean this up. Now, here's what we're gonna do. Yeah, what's golden bar? Yeah, you don't want to know what a golden bar is. Ready? Everybody, all of you, go to an NQ chart and switch to a 1 minute. Oh, fuck. Scratch that. Go back to a 5 minute. Go back to a 5 minute. Okay. 5 minute NQ chart. I repeat, 5 minute NQ chart. The 1 minute's too ugly. We can't do it. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pick two of you. You will be the chosen ones to go down ground level in the Coliseum while all of us eat peanuts and honey-covered dates, or whatever they used to eat, and watch as you two battle it out. Winner gets a free any size Apex eval. Understood? I battle it out. I mean, choose bull or bear and see who wins. Ready? Here's what we're gonna do. Ready? I'm just gonna randomly select 2 of you. Lando! Come on down. I hope you brought your shield and spear. Let's see who he's up against. Did we landed on Lando again? We gotta pick somebody else. All right, ready? Can you believe that? Emoto! Christian! Emoto is the chosen one. Come on down. Let's do it. Ready? Are both you guys currently here? Are we both here? Lando is here. Panda, we here or what? We are here. Okay, don't pick yet. We cannot pick yet. Next bar, okay? This next bar, 30 seconds out. Whoever types it in first after I say the magic word gets it. Bull or bear, go. Panda was first. Lando, Panda was first after I said go. Let me check the actual official YouTube chat and make sure that's correct. Panda was first. Panda said bear. Okay, here we go. Here's the golden bar, baby. Panda has got bear. Lando, you are bull. No, Lando, you were not first. You were second after I said the magic word. You entered too early, which doesn't count. So, Lando is bull. Panda is bear. Let's see what we get. Four and a half minutes. $345 out. If it lands as a doji, you will both get accounts. Let's see how we land up here. All right. Man, this is straight up 50-50. Oh! Oh, Lando. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 90 seconds. Are we taking side bets? What's up? Lando is bullish, Panda's bearish. Oh man. ATR is dipping below 7. "45 seconds out." I don't know, man. Lando, I don't want to speak too soon, but you might want to get your Discord ready, big dog. Who knows? "15! 5 seconds! Lando looking good! We need volume to come in. There it is! Lando, you are our winner, big dog! Panda, better luck next time. Thanks for playing. All right, Lando, free Discord, daily discussion. What's up? Give me my shit! And I will. All right, gotta love it. Description of the stream. Description of the stream, you can join the free Discord, and I will deliver. Christian. Well, the good news is we've got more giveaways coming next week. Oh. All right, 6.5 on the ATR. This trading range is not giving up. Lando, big man, do I look like Discord support? That's a Discord issue. But I've got a code for you, my man. So get inside. Two and a half minutes. I know, tell me about it. Like, everybody wins an account eventually. So if you're not in there, get in there so when you win, there's no friction, right? Because you know it's coming. What's up? DP. No, no one around here makes money. We just have fun and do Golden Bar all day. Just kidding. All right, Lando. Go to daily discussion, say what's up. It's Lando. And I will add you as a friend. Raptor. I joined the tomb on Sunday. It paid for itself by Tuesday, so there's that. Man, if you're not in the tomb, come join up. I genuinely believe it to be very much worth your money. And then some. All right, Lando, I added you as a friend, so go ahead and accept that. All right, Lando, I'm sending you a number. Type that exact number back to me in the YouTube chat. $2846. There he is, delivered! Thank you for playing. The rest of you, losers! Better luck next time. All right. Yes, sir. All right, guys, hey. Those of you guys in the States, genuinely hope you have a very, very nice Thanksgiving. If you're alone today, man, thanks for hanging out here, and I hope you go do something for you today. Appreciate you guys being here every day. Truly. I'll tell you what, I will see you guys here Monday. Let's take some time for ourselves. I'm usually not the take a long weekend type, but a 6 ATR is kind of forcing our hand. Maybe this is a sign that we've just made too much money and we need to take a 3-day. All right, so I'll tell you what. Love you guys. I will see you Monday morning, bright and early. We've got work to do. Rest up this weekend. Enjoy your day today. Have a good, restful, long weekend. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon. All right? Hang in there. I don't want to see any cold sweats by Saturday morning because you haven't traded in 36 hours. It's okay. We will be back putting in work when the market volatility returns come Monday. All right, guys? See you soon. Have a good weekend.